Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question I see popping up a lot. Is Relay Bank insured? Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's be real, nobody wants to lose their hard-earned money. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding how your money is protected is crucial. Build context and explain the importance of FDIC insurance. Host: for those unfamiliar, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, is a government agency that insures deposits in most banks in the United States. This means that if a bank fails, the FDIC steps in and protects your money up to a certain limit. Now, this is a big deal. It gives you peace of mind knowing that even if something goes wrong with your bank, your funds are safe. Transition to the core question: is Relay Bank insured? Host: so, the burning question, is Relay Bank insured? The good news is, yes. Relay Bank is a member of the FDIC. This means your deposits are insured up to the standard limit of $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. Explain the implications of FDIC insurance for Relay Bank customers. Host: what does this mean for you as a Relay Bank customer? Well, it means you can bank confidently knowing your money is protected by the FDIC. If, for some reason, Relay Bank were to fail, the FDIC would step in and reimburse you for your eligible deposits. This safety net is a huge plus for anyone looking for a reliable and secure banking experience. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but what about my investments? Are those also insured? Well, it depends. The FDIC primarily insures deposits, which generally include things like checking and savings accounts. Investments, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, are typically not insured by the FDIC. However, it's important to understand the risks associated with different investment options. Provide additional information about Relay Bank safety and security measures. Beyond FDIC insurance, Relay Bank also employs robust security measures to protect your accounts. This includes things like advanced encryption technology, fraud monitoring systems, and multi-factor authentication. These layers of security work together to safeguard your information and prevent unauthorized access to your funds. In summary, yes, Relay Bank is insured by the FDIC. This provides a crucial layer of protection for your deposits. Combined with the bank's own security measures, you can bank with confidence knowing your money is safe and sound. If you're interested in learning more about Relay Bank or exploring their banking options, I'll leave a link in the description below.